Okay, so happy Friday. It's a beautiful Friday. It was 44 degrees this morning, so I'm dressed all nice and warm, but it is warming up, so I'm going to be coming out of this cute 2B set that I got from none other than Temu. These sets are perfect for the fall and winter. Keep you nice, warm. You can lounge in them. You could be out and about in them. So, but this is what we have today. I am so excited to be doing an unboxing of my own brand. Yes, the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique, our online Shopify store. So shop with us. So what came in the mail today was none other, this is the unboxing here, is our Chic Furbaby dog bowl. It's so cute. Nice size too. Just $19. Yes, so shop for your fur baby, shop for yourself, your friends, your family, your office, your home, your car. We also have pre-workout supplements for your workout. We have skincare. We have everything. So check us out at the Chic Babes and Furbaby Boutique.myshopify.com. I'm going to put everything in the description box. Yes, but I am so excited. I am so excited about this. I really did my thing with this. I really love this. And of course, y'all know, we have everything. This is the Chic Babes coffee mug, one of them. It's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah, so we have so many things for you to shop and purchase for yourself and your family and your friends. So check us out and shop my Amazon storefront at https://www.amazon.com/shop/Jacqueline Dorinda Chic. That is JACQUELYNCHIC. Also, I am on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks, and I also have a TikTok shop. We also have the YouTube store, and let's see. Follow me on IG, Facebook, and Threads at JA.CQUELYN4. And join our membership. Check it out. Happy Friday. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos by Chic Babes and Chic Furbabies.